What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to delete all kind of viruses from your PC and laptop and can make your computer faster without downloading or installing any software. It's a simple procedure but very effective, and we're gonna show it as fast as possible. We are not using any third-party programs to perform this cleaning process, so you don't have to download any creepy tool to do this. For your information, cleaning the unwanted file from your computer will make your Windows run much faster. So let's start. So the very first step is we need to do a right-click on the Start button and then click on Run, or you can press the Window button on your keyboard and hit the R button. It will open this Run command center. Now here you need to type clean mgr and then click on OK. This is the very first important step which we are going to do, and this will remove the junk unwanted registries, so this first step actually weaken the viruses. So we are going to remove their registries first. So here make sure you select all check marks, even recycle bin, and then I'll just click on OK. So it will start deleting all the bad registries and files, temporary files cache from your computer. Now again open the Run window and now type temp and click on OK. Which open this folder. In case if it's asking for any permission, please click on Continue. Now you will all these files and folders, which are all not needed, and it's created only for a temporary purpose. So select all of them, now press on Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Some file may undeletable, so ignore them and delete the rest. Again open the Run window and now type %temp% and click on OK. Now this is another location of unwanted registries and the junks. Now there are hundreds of folders. These are all encrypted data, the junk, the unwanted registries. You may have viruses sitting in it, some of their files may be here, so we need to select all files and folders and press on Shift plus Delete. Some file may undeletable, so ignore them and delete the rest. Once you do that, you have to open the Run box for the final time, and this time type in prefetch. Now you will see another folder opens, and maybe it asks you for the permission to access the files. In that case, click on Continue, and the files and folder will be revealed to you. Now do the same thing you did with the last two folders. Select all and hit Shift plus Delete, and that's it. Some file may undeletable, so ignore them and delete the rest. Clean recycle bin. You may know this already, but I have to tell. Clean recycle bin you this because a majority of people are unaware of this. Whenever you delete a file by right-click Delete option or hitting the Delete key on your keyboard, it will not remove the files from your computer. It will keep all the deleted files on your recycle bin until a certain limit, and the default Windows recycle bin limit is somewhere around 50 GBs. Yes, you can hit the Shift plus Delete key to delete a file from your computer completely, but what if you forget to do so? For your information, the recycle bin is using your C drive space, so technically if you delete something without hitting the Shift plus Delete, it will eventually end up somewhere in your C drive or system drive, which will cause your system go slow. So let's delete all of the files from the recycle bin by hitting Shift plus Delete. And hope you do this once in a while. At this point, you will see improvements. Hope you are all experiencing a performance boost, free up space, remove viruses and unwanted files, and a more enhanced system responsiveness. So that's all for today. Leave a like if you liked and subscribe if you loved. This is your host Junaid from Junaid Tech Media. See you soon with another one. Goodbye.